Hi friends, so as I mentioned in my last haul video, I'm back with another set of books that I had bought recently, and these are not from Flipkart. I bought them separately. So the first one, and of course the star, is Mustache by S. Harish. This is a translation from Malayalam, and if you have followed the news, this is the winner of the JCB Prize for Literature this year. And I was actually rooting for this. So I read some expert from this long back, though I couldn't read the entire book till now. And unfortunately, this copy is still lying with me, and I haven't started. And I'm very happy that it won the award this year. It has some great storyline. I think some magic realism and a lot about the land about Kerala, and so there are a lot of things that are touched upon in this book, and of course I'm super excited to read this, and hopefully I can read this soon. So this is the first one. Next is also shortlisted book from JCB Prize only. So these are Bodies Possessed by Light by Dharani Bhaskar. So this also I was planning to buy from a very long time, and finally I picked this up. So both of them I bought from Bookworm Bangalore. They are a independent bookstore. Okay, I kind of came across them on Twitter because at that point for JCB Prize shortlist books, they had a good 25% deal going on. So both these books are priced at 5.99. So this is a paperback and this is a hardcover, but both of them priced at 5.99. And I have been waiting for the price to come down, but I guess they didn't much beyond 300 or so. But once they got shortlisted, I thought at least now I should finally get them. And when there was this deal, I have seen the deal, I picked them immediately. So I bought them like almost a month ago, but I had been busy with a lot of other stuff, so just couldn't start. Hopefully I can read them in December, because November already looks very busy. So the other three books I picked up from in a sale from Select Bookshop. So if you know, Select Bookshop are like a very old bookshop from Bangalore again, and they keep doing these online sales on a WhatsApp group. Okay, so that's where I picked up these books. So this is the first one. This is Calcutta Nights, again a translation. Okay, so this one I have been thinking of buying for a long time, and anything that is there on Select are generally pre-loved books. But if you can see this, this looks like very new, actually, like almost new. And so that's one reason that I went for this. I don't remember the price at which I bought it. It was pretty affordable. Okay, the MRP probably is 240, but then I got it for a much lesser price. Okay, in the same sale I got this book also, For the Love of a Man by Amrinder Bajaj. So this is also something during the sale, something I found interesting based on the the blurb and the theme of the book, but I couldn't still read it till now. So this is also pre-loved, but if you can see, it's like as good as new, actually. People won't believe that this is like used by someone else before. So these two are like in super good condition. Okay, the next one is actually it's a new book, a brand new book, Shake the Bottle and Other Stories by Asha Purna Devi, and it's translated by Arunava Sinha. Okay, so this book is, I guess, a set of short stories. That's what I remember. I was planning to buy this as well, and when I was getting these two books, I asked the folks at Select if they had this book as well, and they got it for me. This is not a pre-loved one, this is a brand new one. But when I asked them if they can also get this, because I guess for some time this book didn't have a copy on Amazon. I think I was trying to look for it, so finally I got this also. So these are the three books I got from Select, and these are the two books I got from Bookworm. Just a small haul, but books that I was very specifically looking to read. Okay, yeah. So hopefully I can read these in December once I'm done with the other my current TBR. Okay, so I'll shortly post, probably in 1 or 2 days, the books that I'm going to read and review for November. I do have a huge stack that is waiting for me, and I had been pretty much busy with a lot of other stuff. So I thought I'll just show you probably 10 to 12 books that are waiting for my attention for November. Okay, thank you. Bye.